Looking for a new Kenmore appliance? Well, here are a few tips you need to know before you buy to make shopping quick and easy. The first and most important tip is to double check your measurements so there are no surprises on delivery day. Measure the height, width, and depth of your space. Measure the width from top to bottom, accounting for molding or trim, and note the narrowest measurements. Make sure to measure the space and not just your old appliance. You'll also need a little breathing room around the appliance. For instance, a refrigerator requires about 2 inches of space between the wall and the back of the unit, 1/8 of an inch on the sides, and about 1 inch on top. Take into consideration any hinges on the appliance, and make sure the doors and drawers have enough clearance to open fully. Laundry pairs need about 3 to 4 inches of breathing room in back, and 1 inch on either side. Check to see that lids and doors can also open fully. It's also a good idea to walk the path of your home and measure the narrowest points in hallways and doorways, so your appliance doesn't get stuck on the way in. The delivery team will bring all the necessary cords, hoses, and accessories for your new appliance, but you'll need to make sure your home has the right connections. Safety regulations require gas appliances to have a gas shutoff valve within 3 feet of the unit. Washers also require a nearby shutoff valve. And refrigerators with ice and water dispensers need a water line already in place to complete the installation. Now you're ready to start shopping for your new Kenmore appliance. If you have any questions about which models are right for your home, contact us at customersupport@kenmore.com. Kenmore, be amazing.